Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to Mr. V, the architect. Today we are looking at how to create a PPR material using Revit. Go to Manage. After that, go to Materials. Let's create a new material. Right click, then rename it whatever you want. Let's name it Wall 1. Then press Enter. After that, go here and replace this assist. Let's choose Asphalt material. I want to choose this one. Then press on it. After that, press Replace. Then close this one. Now we want to change this materials to this materials, this walls. Let's minimize this one like this. I want the first one is image, and here it is, the image. Let's replace it like this. Let's change the sample size. Let's make it 1. Let's make it 2 meter. Okay, then press done. And the roughness, let's go to our file. We have the roughness. This is the roughness material. And let's replace it from this one. And the reflection, let's change it to a normal map. Let's choose this one. Replace this one. After that, let's scroll down. Let's make it normal map. And let's make the sample size is 2 meter. And let's the depth amount, let's make it 2.5. Then press done. And also this one, let's make it 2 meter. Then press done. And the last one, let's put this one. And let's apply and finish. Now let's make a wall, architecture wall. Let's make from here to here. Then choose it, edit type, duplicate it. Let's make it wall 2. Then go to edit. And let's make the structure by categories. Let's make the material the wall 1. And here it is. Then press OK. Then OK. Then OK. Go to 3D. Our wall. Let's make it realistic. And it will look like this.